This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शुक्रवासर अथवा भृगुवासर भाद्रपद शुद्ध कृष्ण तृतीया दिनांक 4 सप्टेंबर 2020 सहस्र योगम शंखं चक्रं जलकान्दधतमृतघटं चारुदोर्गं चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमम्भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगदवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धामात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टा ज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापकोऽभिषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रकरोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षं ईक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत्प्रयच्छत्ति सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। स्वयं भस्म एकं निष्कं च सूतश्च द्विनिष्कं दण्डकं तथा आयसं च त्रिनिष्कं च कन्यास्वरसपेषितम् आतपे स्थापितं सम्यक् भस्म सञ्जायते ध्रुवं सेवेत तद्गुणयुक्तं शूलव्याधिहरं परम्. So एकद्वित्रि प्रमाणतः पारदः गन्धकम् एवं आयसं ग्राह्यं कन्यास्वरसभावना देया आतपे केवलं स्थापनं तस्य कार्यं भस्म सञ्जायते ध्रुवम् इदं भस्म सञ्जायते उत अन्यत् किमपि तत्तु चिन्त्यमेव किन्तु एतत् तथैव प्रयोक्तुं शक्यते गुणयुतं शूलव्याधिहरं परम् विशेषतः शूलव्याधौ इदं श्रेष्ठम् इति. So this is rather simple to prepare. Just a combination of parada gandhaka and loha tasma and not even color is expected, only kumari swarasa to be added and then you may do some color and then keep it in bright sunlight and then how many bhavanas to be given that has not been mentioned, but we may go for 3 or 7 bhavanas and Shulavyadi Haram Param. So this is very good for Shulavyadi. So I would like to use this particularly for cancer. There are so many cancer patients with cancer in abdomen, pancreatic, liver, colon, and gallbladder, etc., in which there is severe pain. And anyway, I'm using Dhatri Loha or Saptamrita Loha. So some lower combination is useful in these diseases. And असृजश्लेष्मणश्चापि यः प्रसादः परो मुदातं पिच्छं भक्षमानं पित्तेन वायुश्चाप्यनुसारभवति ततोस्य अंतराणि जायन्ते. That has been said about the generation of antra in embryology. So loha or variants of loha are useful particularly for shula in Andhra. So in colon cancer, this might be a good thing and it's not very difficult to prepare as such. Is Mangesh Thamke present today, right now? So he may take up this job. and prepare with 7 bhavanas. That should be fine. Adapa, we prepare. So I think this is a good part, simple part rather. And Shulaharam Param is to be given with Buddha Anupana, and it is Shulahar Para, so that is good. Mahavriksharkam Bruhati Lavanan Santahe Antardhumam Tatak Kashte Ardhan Putika Sambhavai Parivadra Palashatva Grantika Pravishatri सिद्धे कषाय तत्क्षारं परिश्राव्य पुनः पचेत् मण्डूरचूर्ण सहितं यदेतत् सान्द्रताङ्गकं निर्वाचूर्णं प्रक्षिप्य दर्व्या तत् अवघट्टे. So Mahavriksha is Nuhi Arka Bruhati Lavanan Sandhe Ghate. Sara to be prepared from that Antardhumam Tatah Kashte Ardhan Putika Sambhavai पारिपत्र पलाशत्व ग्रंथिका कृमिशत्रुभिः सिद्धे कषाये. This is a kashaya to be made from Putika, Paripatra, Palashatva, Granthika, Krumishatu, Vidanga. Tat Ksharam Parisravya Punah Pachit. So it is to be liquefied into this decoction and again heated. Mandura Churna Sahitam Yadetat Sandratangatam. With Mandura Churna, and when it becomes Sandra, Hingvadi Churnam Prakshipya Darvyatat Avadhyate. Then Hingadi Churna is to be added. अवतार्य ततो वैद्य शूलार्थाय प्रयोजित महावृक्षमिदं नाम लवणं लवणोत्तमम्. So this is Mahavriksha Lavana, Lavanottama. Antardhuma Bhasma, by taking about drugs in specified quantities. Mahavriksha Snuhi Mula, Artha Mula, Bruhati Samula. Lavana 1 part each. And that Bhasma to decoction of Paripatra, Palasha, Granthika, Pipali Mula and Purvishatru village, and then filter it. Afterwards, add Mandora Bhasma Hingvadi Churna to the decoction and boil till it is solidified. Shula Roga. So, though they are saying that this is a Shara, but this is a machine, to be speaking. And then further is like the Kshara process, the machine is treated, and actually it is a Lavana, Arka Lavana kind of thing. Shula Roga. So I think we do it. विडंग चित्रक सत्तु त्रिवृता सैंधवे वचाम दग्ध्वा कपाले पैसा गुल्म पीहा पहत्वे. विडंग चित्रक सत्तु यव सत्तु त्रिवृत सैंधव वचाम. So this I think is in Vagbata or Charaka as well. That's what I remember. So this is again a mashi. दग्ध्वा कपाले पैसा गुल्म पीहा पहत्वे. वरांगक we have to see the part of Varangak. Might be this, I am not remembering properly. So Gulma and Pliha, and so this is a mashi kind of thing. This might be used in Pliha Roga. Pliha Roga itself is rare, but there are other diseases in which Pliha is involved, and that we may have to consider. तांबूलवल्ली पत्राणि पयसालिप्य भास्वतः सप्तकृत्वो विशुष्काणि मृत्पात्र रुद्धधूमकम्. दग्ध्वा तद्भस्म सिन्धूत्थ दीप्य चूर्ण समन्वितम् अश्नयात् गुणसंयुक्तं सर्वशूल निवृत्तये। पयसा भास्वतः पयसा, so अर्कक्षीर, so तांबूलवल्ली patra and lep of this अर्कक्षीर to be given saptakrutu vishushkai 7 times mrutpatre ruddhasumakam dagdva. So antardhumamashi to be prepared, tadbhasma sindutta dipya churna samanvitam, and then along with Saindhava and Deepya, it is Ajamoda, Ashniyat Guda Sanyuktam. And there is Guda at many places. This is again for Shula, Guda Anupan we need to use. We are not actually using Guda Anupana, but this might be of help. So Tambula Bhasma, don't know whether this is also simple to prepare, not very difficult. Apply Arkakshira over betel leaves and dry them well and put them in Sarava Samput and prepare Antardhuma Bhasma. Actually, they have given 7 times. So dried, again apply Arkakshira, again dry, etc. And then Antardhuma Mashi to be prepared. Afterwards, add double quantity of Sindhutha and Deepya Ajamoda, Churna, and administer internally with Guda. Sarvashula. So this is again a good combination, easy to prepare. Vaishvanara Churna. Vaishvanarasya Mulani Shushkani Badari Rase Pishtva Dinatrayam Bhuyas Tailenath tu Sarpisha Tatascha Madhana Bhuyo Jambira Swarasenacha Punastailen Mrutpatre Ruddhum Muhurdayat Etad Vaishvanara Nama Bhasma Tailas Bhasma Bhelasya Sammada Sagudam Sarvashuleshu Sevyam Paramam Aushadham. So Vaishvanara is this Chitraka and Chitraka Mula and Shurna to be Badari Rase Pishtva. So Badari Swarasa to be added and Peshana Dinatrayam. Bhuyas Tailena Atatu Sarpisha, then with Taila, then with Gruta, Tatascha Madhuna, Bhuyo, Jambira Swarasenacha, then Madhu and then Jambira Swarasenacha. Bunas Tailena Mrutpatre Ruddhanamam Punarday. And then add Taila and do Antardhuma Mashi. Etad Vaishvanara Nama Bhasma Bhelasya Sammatam. So this is Bhela Sammata and Sagudam Sarvashula. Again, Guda Anupan is there. Sagudam Sarvashuleshu. So it is to be used along with Guda in all Shula and such. So this is rather strange because Vaishvanara, Mula and Badari Rasa, this is fine. Then Taila, Gruta and Madhu, this is to be done. And again Taila to be added and then Mrutpatra, Ruddhadhuma Mashi. So Taila, Gruta and Madhu might be taking care of Vata Pitta Kapha. But with Madhu, there is no heating process in the text. That's it. And here, this is all to be heated together. And still, it might be difficult to get Churna as such. With we are doing it with Taila, then might be. Shula may be referring more to Shula of coast origin. Yeah, generally Shula is of coast origin, and Panchakola is one of the ingredients or is one of the constituent of this Shula Prashamana Gana. And so Chitraka Mula only has been taken over here. and adding tail in the end and then making it mushy kalpana. Initially pound Vaishvanara Mula Churna with Badari Surasa Kashaya for 3 days. Pound with Taila, Sarpi, Madhu and Jambira Surasa for 4 days. Afterwards again pound with Tila Taila and prepare Antardhuma Bhasma and mix and then with Buddha. Maharshi Vela formulated this Vaishvanara Churna Sarvashula. Sudha Kandadi Kshara. Sudha Kandassa Lavanam Dagdha Tat Pasampaye Chitambuna Sarva Gulma Grani Harsho Rujapa. So this is also simple. Sudha Kanda and Lavana. Again Antardhuma Mashi. With Sukhambu for Gulma Grahani Arsha Ruja. So of course this might be variation. So one has to be cautious. Prepare Antardhuma Basma by taking about drugs in specific quantity and ammunition. Sarva Gulma Grahani Arshas. Bhunimbadi Khar. Bhunimbang Rohinim Siktam Patolam Nimpa Parpatam Dadma Mutrena Vived Agni Vivardhana. This is there in Vagmata Charaka. I do remember. So this is also simple and peculiarly Mahisamutra has been said. No Gomitra. So this is again something different. So Kadicharite Putki Tikta, this Katurani again. Bhunimba Rohini Tiktam. Okay, so that is to be considered as one. Patolam Nimba Parpatam. Patola Nimba and Parpatam. All Tiktarasatmaka, that's it. And Mahishamutra to be added. Now in today's scenario, when the animals are given hormones and all hormones are secreted through urine, so we may have to be cautious about giving mutra, etc. Yoga Joshi once said about this that one of his patients denied to take gomutra, and she said, of course, it was Jersey cow mutra, and she said that all hormones are excreted through urine, and these are given hormones, so that will be causing ill effect on me. Yoga Joshi sir accepted the fact and stopped giving her gomutra or advising her gomutra. Dve haridre vacha kushtam chitrakam katorohini mustacha chagamutrena dagdhaksha arogni vardhanaha. Now it is chagamutra now. So why Mahishamutra? Dve haridre vacha kushtam chitrakam katorohini. So vacha kushta chitraka kutki mustacha chagamutrena dagdhaksha arogni vardhanaha. So one may look into the Antardhuma Mashi Kalpana, etc. What effects does it have? And though the text itself says about Kshara to this is not really Kshara. So what is the difference between this regular Kshara and this Mashi? And how it can be brought more into practice, that we may have to see. Sudhade Kandadi Kshara second. चतुष्पलम सुधाकांडा त्रिपलम लवणत्रया वार्ताक कुडवम चारकात अष्टौ द्वे चित्रकात पले दग्धवा तस्येन वार्ताकात गुलिका भोजनोत्तराः. चतुष्पल सुधाकांड त्रिपल लवणत्रय वार्ताक कुडव अर्कात् अष्टौ द्वे चित्रकात् फले दग्ध्वा रसेन वार्ताकात्. So वार्ताकस्वरस्य to be used. गुलिका भोजनोत्तराः. मुक्तं मुक्तं पचत्याशु श्वासकासार्षसां हिताः विशूचिका प्रतिष्ठाय हृद्रोगशमनाश्चिताः. The Faladushruti is wide, so immediately it digests whatever has in it. Shvasa, Kasa, Arshas, Vishuchika, Pratishaya, Rudroga. So this is to be used in even in emergency, that is one thing. Sudhakanda Lavanatraya, one pala each. Vartaka, 4 pala. Arkamula, 8 pala. Chitraka, 2 pala, 2 pala. Antardhruva Bhasma with the above drugs taken in a specified quantity and pound with Vartaka Swarasa and then make into pills. Pill should be administered internally after food. Deepana Shvasa, Kasa, Arshas, Vishuchika, Pratishaya, Rudro. So again, the Falashruti is wide. And when we say Vartaka, so it is Binjal. Bhojanam Digavartakam, Vartakam Digavruntakam, Savruntam Digatailadyam, Satailam Digaramat. That is one famous stanza. So the meal which doesn't contain Vartaka should be cursed, is Dik or something like that. Vartakam Digavruntakam. And if that Vartaka is without Vrunta, so without the stem, then that is also Dik. Savruntam Digatailadyam. If there is no more quantity of Taila, then that is also not good. Satailam Digaramatam. And even when it is containing oil, then also it should contain Hingu. So Hingu, Taila, and Vartaka, this combination is supposed to be very good. What should be the Aushadhi Sevan Kal for Mashi Kalpana? If we are expecting something associated with Grahani, then Samana Kala is a better choice. But one may choose according to the condition as such. So, in Koshta Shula particularly, this is more important. Deepana Shvasa Kasa Arshas Vishuchika Pratishaya and Rudro. Now, I was talking about Vartaka, whether it is Vartaka Phala or whether it is Vartaka Patra Swarasa or Panchanga or something like that. That still remains a question. May we try to understand what is the tradition about this. So this Churna concept is over. Then is the Arishta Prakarana. The drugs mentioned in the text are coarsely powdered and Kashaya is prepared and the Kashaya is strained and kept in filtration pot. Sugar, jaggery or honey according to the formula is dissolved, boiled and added. Honey also. So for sugar and jaggery it is okay. Drugs mentioned in the Prakshepa Dravyas are finally powdered and added. At the end, Dhataki Pushpa, if included in the formula, should be properly cleaned and added. The mouth of the pot is covered with an earthen lid and the edges sealed with clay, smeared cloth, woven in 7 consecutive layers. So, Matka Par Sapta. The container is kept either in special room, in a underground cellar, or in a heap of paddy, so as to ensure that the duration of fermentation, as far as possible, a constant temperature is maintained, since varying temperatures may impede or accelerate the fermentation. After the specified period, the lid is removed and the contents examined to ascertain whether the process of fermentation sandana has been completed. The fluid is first decanted and then strained with 2 or 3 days. When the fine particles settle down, it is strained and bottled. दशमूलानि कुर्वीत भागैः पञ्चफलैः पृथक् पञ्चविंशत् फलं कुर्यात् चित्रकं पौष्करं तथा. So panchapala of each dashamula and 25 pala of chitraka and paushkara. Quite big part. कुर्याद् विंशत् फलं लोध्रं गुडुचिं तत्समं भवेत् गुडुचि तत्समं भवेत् फलैः षोडशभिर्धात्री रविसंख्या दुरालभा खदिरो बीजसारं पथ्या चेति पृथक् फलैः अष्टभिर्गुणितैः कुष्ठमज्जिष्ठा देवदारु च विडङ्गं मधुकं भाङ्गी कपित्थोक्षः पुनर्नवा चव्यं मांसि प्रियङ्गुश्च सारिवा कृष्णजीरकं त्रिवृता हरेणुकं रास्ना पिप्पली क्रमुकं षठी हरिता हरिद्रा शतपुष्पा च पद्मकं नागकेसर मुस्तमीन्द्र एवं शृंगी जीवकर्षभगो तथा मेधा चान्या महामेधा काकुल्य वृद्धि के कुर्यात् पृथक् द्विपलिकान् पचेत् अष्टगुणे जले चतुर्थांशं श्रुतं नीत्वा पृथ्भाण्डे सन्निधापयेत् ततः षष्टिफलां द्राक्षां पचेन् नीरे चतुर्गुणे त्रिपादशेषं शीतं च पूर्वक्वाथे श्रुतं क्षिपेत् द्वात्रिंशत्फलिकं क्षौद्रं दद्यात् गुडचतुश्शतं त्रिंशत्फलानि धातक्या तत्फलं जलचन्दनं जातिफलं लवङ्गं च त्वगेरा पत्रकेसर पिप्पली चेति संचूर्ण भागे पिप्पलिके पृथक् क्षाणमात्राञ्च कस्तूरी सर्वमेतत् निक्षिपेत् भूमौ निखनयेत् भाण्डं ततो जातरसं पिबेत् कतकस्य फलं क्षिप्त्वा रसं निर्मलतां नयेत्. ग्रहणीं अरुचिं शूलं श्वासं तासं भग्नन्दर वातव्याधिं क्षयं छर्दिं पाण्डुरोगं च कामला कुष्ठान्यर्षांसि मेहांश्च मन्दाग्निमुदराणि च शर्करामश्मरिं मूत्रकृच्छ्रं धातुक्षयं चेत् कृशानां पुष्टिजननं वन्ध्यानां पितृतः परः अरिष्टादशमूलाख्या तेजःशुक्रबलप्रतः. So if this is available in the market with the same part and really putting all contents. Awesome. Gunashastra has the same part and if it is being prepared by the companies with the same part, then this is a marvelous medicine, truly speaking. So the Falashruti is quite wide and Kataka Phala Shepana is to be done. That is another important aspect over here. So it clarifies the water and hence it would be good to use these. And Vandyanam Pudrataha Paraha Kushanam Pushtijanana Tejashukra Balaprataha and mainly to be used for Vatavyadi, but there are many other diseases as such. Sharkaram Ashmarim, Mutrakurchram and Dhatukshayam. It is same part in Gune, but reference is Beshujatnavali. Okay. But what I feel right now, if companies are prepared with this part, then that should be fine. One should be confirmed that they are really putting all these dravyas. And Lodhra Guruchi, Dhatri Duralabha, Khadira, Bijasara Pathya, Kushtha Manjishtha Devdaru Viranga Madhuka Bharangi, Kapitha Arksha Vibhitaka, Sariva Krishna, कृष्णजीरक, त्रिवृत, रेणुका, रासना, पिप्पली, क्रमुक, षठी, हरिद्रा, शतपुष्पा, पद्मक, नागकेशर, मुस्ता, इंद्रयव, शृंगी, जीवक, ऋषभक, मेधा, महामेधा, काकोली, क्षीरकाकोली, बुद्धि, रिद्धि, बुद्धि, रुद्धि and from Ashtavarga, AVS, and available also from Vaishya Ratnavali. AVS is also available. Who may start using this, so same as this part. Okay. Add 8 times water and boil it till reduce 1/4 quantity. Prepare Draksha Kashaya by adding 60 Pala Draksha and add 4 times water and reduce it to 3/4. Mix both decoctions and add along following dravya. Shaudra Guda Dhataki, Takkola, Jala, Chandana, Jatifala, Lavanga, Kela, Patra, Keshara, Pippali, and Kasturi. Where is the Ashtavarga? Meda, Mahameda, Kakoli, Kshira Kakoli, Ruddhi and Vruddhi. It is not Buddhi, it should be Vruddhi and Riddhi, Riddhi and Vruddhi. 450 लिटर मिलीमीटर 450 millimeter. It is quite cheap available. With all this part, if that is so cheaply available, then this is to be understood separately, and we may try to use it in varieties of diseases as such. After 1 month, take it out and then add Kattaka beej and collect the super nutted part, leaving the sedimentation in a separate vessel and preserve it. Yes, Asavarishtas from AVS are very cheap compared to others. Now Chinmay Kulkarni has found one company in remote area in Kerala, and he has taken distributorship of that across Maharashtra. And these Asavarishtas are also available at cheap rate, and he says the quality is really very good. So we may have to think about this. Anyway, he's also going to make it available in Pune. So we may have to think. Blending is done, classical method not used, so low cost. So in blending, there is one company which provides total extract or something like that. And many companies have switched over to that so-called total extract. And the bulk of the herbs is much more in Asavarishta, and that reduces the quantum of the Asavarishta. So they are saying that if you use our total extract, you need not put that much bulk. And truly speaking, water extract is something which we can understand, or maximum alcohol extract. Actually, it is also not according to the text. but they are using also chemicals to have extract and alcohol extract as well. And Saiba, the name of the company is Saiba. So this is really a shortcut, and whether this should be used or not, this is a controversial issue. But anyway, if we are not preparing our own asavaristas, then we have to depend on companies. In Anand's tradition, they prepare Kumari Asav very regularly and give Kumari Asav to all patients practically or something like that. I'm not aware whether they prepare any other asavaristas as such or on regular basis or something like that. So if the companies are taking shortcuts in this, then this is really dangerous, so to say. And we may emphasize on a company which is preparing as per text and doing it well. Because the Falashruti Grahani, Aruchi, Shula, Shwasa, Kasa, Bagandhara, Vatavyadi, Kshaya, Chardi, Pandu, Kamala, Kushtha, Arsha, Sneha, Mandagni, Udara, Sharkara, Ashmari, Mutrakuchra. So we are not using in Mutrakuchra or Sharkara, etc. सांडूच्या आसवारिष्ट ग्रंथात पाठात पद्धतीने बनवलेली असतात. Yeah, Fonsarkar was using Sandu company for Aswarishtas, clearly. And with this arrival of Keral Pharma in Maharashtra, many Vaidyas have switched over to that. So maybe think about this. And if that Keralian company is doing it as per Pathar traditionally, then this might be worth using that Keralian company's Asavarishta. So Ashmari Mutrakrishna, Dhatukshaya, Paushtya, Vanditvanashaka, Tejas, Shukra, Balaprada. So Shukra Balaprada is again Tejas, Shukra and Bala. Teja would be Ojas over here. So even in cancer, we may have to think about this, that this can be very well used. And Vandhyatva Nashaka, this is one of the important aspect. It works on Shukra or this Artha as such. I'm getting so many cases of breast cancer, ovarian cancer, and uterine cancer to a certain extent, or cervix. So in all this scenario, this might be worth using Dashamula Rishta if this is available from this part, either by Sandu or by शारंगधर संहितेतील पाठ ही हाच आहे अवेलेबल वैद्यनाथम और वैद्यरत्नम वैद्यनाथम और वैद्यनाथ यू आर सेइंग वैद्यरत्नम ओके सो if we really get very good asavarishtas, we can store them. Purchase in large quantity and store them, because there is no time limit. On the contrary, the more older it is, then it is more. Dabur is also having Dashamula cultivation farms. Their Dashamula Arishta costs 120 rupees for 450 ml. So this is also quite cheap. And whether Dashamula Mula is used, or the stem or bark or leaves, etc. are used, this is again a controversial issue. Because when you take out a root, there is a fear of dying of the plant, and you have to be very cautious about that. Then you may develop cultivation techniques so that you can take out the root easily, more easily. And but these are all big trees, so rather difficult to say about that. Quatha and aristas of Sandu are packed in glass container, so it is better option. Okay, so this is also one of the important aspects that now the plastic bottles are commonly used, and truly speaking, it's better to use glass bottles for all medicines. Uh, Dabur is modern oriented. So better we try to use Sandu then, and see where it is available. It should be available in Pune. There was one depot or one distributor on Lakshmi Road long back, I know. I've been using Dashmula Arista of AVS protocol for many years. Have never seen such quality of Dashmula Arista of any other pharmacy. The smell and taste itself says a lot. AVS Asawaristas are good quality and less price also. Rasashala Pune is known to keep Asawarista for specific period and not use shortcut. Yeah, so this might be kept in mind, and we try to use specifically, which is more appropriate in quality, and try to use that. That should be better option. So anyway, Aswarishta Sankalpana is good and easily used, and even for foreign countries this might be a good concept to spread. So we may get the analysis of Asavarishta done from some lab, and if we can prove that it is non-toxic, then that should be fine as compared to other medicinal forms. This is a better accepted form, particularly in Western countries. Amrutarishta. Amrutayaः फलशतं दशमूलिशतं तथा चतुर्द्रोणे जले पक्त्वा कुर्यात् पादावशेषितः शीते तस्मिन् रसे पूते गुडस्थे द्वितलां क्षिपेत् अजायी षोडशफलं पर्पटस्य फलद्वयम् सप्तपर्णं त्रिकटुकं मुस्तकं नागकेशरं कटुकातिविषाचेन्द्र यवं च फलसंवितम् एकीकृत्य क्षिपेत् भाण्डे ददद्यान् मासमात्रकम् अमृतारिष्ट इत्येषः सर्वज्वरकुलान्तकः. So Palashata of Amruta Dashamuli Shata Chaturdone Jale Pakva Kurya Padavasheshitam. So only Amruta and Dashamula. Chite Tasmin Rase Pute Gudasya Pitalang Shipet, then Guda Ajaji Shodashapalam Parpatasya Palat Saptaparanam Trikutakam Mustakam Naga Kesharam Kutaka Katukati Visha Chendra Yavamcha Padasamhita. So only this Ativisha is quite costly. Otherwise, this and Katuka also is costly. एकीकृत्य क्षिपेत भांडे ददत्यान मासमात्रकम, and only 1 month to be kept over there or something like that. So Amrutarishta ityesha sarvajvara kulantaka. So it is useful in all jvara. Sarvajvara kulantaka, something like that. Add 4 drona water, boil it, reduce, then allow to cool and well following drugs. Guda Agavi Parpata सप्तपर्ण त्रिकटु मुस्तान आकेशर कटुका अतिविषा इंद्रयव वनपल each. Put all the drugs in earthenware and seal it well and bury in the ground for 1 month. After 1 month, take it out and preserve after filtration. Sarvajwara. So better to use even Amrita Arishta for this Jwara, non-specific Jwara particularly. And this would be good enough. अशोकस्य तुलामेकं चतुर्द्रोणे लेपचे पादशेषे रसे पूते शीते फलशतद्वयम् दद्यात् गुणस्य धातक्याः फलषोडशकं मतम् अजाजी मुस्तकं शुङ्खीं दार्ढ्योत्पलफलत्तिकम् आम्रास्तिजीरकं वासं चन्दनं च विनिक्षिपे चूर्णयित्वा पलांशेन ततो भाण्डे निधापये मासादूर्ध्वं च पीत्वैवम् अश्रुक्तररुजां जये ज्वराश्च रक्तपित्तार्शो मन्दाग्नित्वम् अरोचकम् मेघशोषारुचिहरस्त्वशोकारिष्टसौज्ञिकः. So Ashoka Tula, 1 Tula, Padashesha Rase, only quarter of that land. Shite Palashata Dadyat Gudasya, Dhatakya Palashorashakam. So Dhataki and Gud are to be added. Ajaji Mustakam Shunkim Darvit Palapalatikam. Amrasti. So this is Amrasti is something typical. Jirakam Vasa Chandanam Chavinikshipe. चूर्णयित्वा पलांशेन ततो भाण्डे निधापये. So Raktapradara and Ruja, Jwarashcha Raktapittarsho Mandagditvam Arochakam. Jwara Raktapitta Arsha Mandagditva Arochakam. Megha Shosha Aruchihara Ashoka Rishta Saudnikaha. Now there are very few trees of Ashoka really speaking, and Ashoka Rishta is available in the market, and whether they contain real Ashok or not, that's a controversial issue. Pour drawn water to 100 pala of Ashoka and boil it till it is 1/4. Then allow Buddha Dhataki Ajaji Musta. These are to be added 1 pala each. Afterward, put all these drugs in earthenware, seal it well, bury. Take it out and preserve it after filtration. Asrudara, Jwara, Raktapitta, Arshas, Agnimandya, Aruchi, Megha, and Shor. We are only using in Raktapradara and not in other diseases. Maybe Raktapitta this can be used. Aruchi, Megha, and Shor. So, maybe think as far as this is concerned, Raktapradara, there are certain cases of Raktapradara which are very problematic, and these are generally due to hormonal imbalances. And in spite of using varieties of drugs, they do not respond. There is development of anemia, and there can be a dangerous situation. So I'm also worried about this and how to take action about that. No doubt these are the effects of long-term use of hormones in farming and a lot of stress and pollution and other things. But still, how to deal with these patients still remains a question, and when there are particular emergencies. So there is one Raktastambha Kvatti by Dulpapeshwar, which is mainly Kashaya Rasatmaka, and I use it. Kushanuga Churna also I use Pradara Ripu, Pradara Loha. Maybe Bolabadha Rasa to certain extent, Rasapachaka, These are commonly used, and Vanga Mishran. This is another important aspect. But in spite of using all these, there can be Rakta Pradara not responding to any of these treatments. And conventional medicine just says go for hysterectomy. That's not actually. दुकानात जे अशोक चूर्ण मिळते ते खरे अशोकाचे नसते का काय असते I don't know. I also use Ashok Churna in powders sometimes, and but I am not aware what generally we are getting from there, and whether we should have some other options. There are Tikta Rasa and Kashaya Rasa. These are mainly used. But considering Adhoga Raktapitta Madhura Eva Kevalam, that is also quite possible. Vanga मिश्रण कोणकोणत्या अवस्थेमध्ये वापरता येते? In all conditions associated with this Shukra, we can use Vanga Mishran. Vanga 1 part, Swarnamakshi 2 parts, and Praval 4 parts. That is the combination. And even then I make it Sukshma. So Sukshma Vanga Mishran that I am using 6x. But Pansakar was using only this in raw form, Vanga 1 part, Makshik 2 parts, and Praval Basma 4 parts. So in all disorders, this might be used, particularly associate Vanga 1 part, Makshik, Swarna Makshik 2 parts, and Praval Basma 4 parts, Apachandraputi Praval. And one may have some Shukrashodhana Gana medicine also, maybe Ushira, that will be better, which is Shita Virya, and Shukrashodhana, Pitta Shamaka. So what I feel that we try to use this, and in spite of all these medicines, currently I have 2 patients with this. One is 43-year lady, and hemoglobin is 3. So ultimately I asked her to go for blood transfusion, and she is basically a case of CKD and is being treated for many years for CKD. Creatinine is something 6 to 7 or something, and there can be Pandutva due to CKD as well, and she was responding well, but with Rakta Pradara now and Pandu, and then this is again leading to complications in CKD. And another is a young girl, just 16-year-old, and she is not responding to this Rakta Pradara. And continuous bleeding for 1 month or so, just 4-5 days gap, again continuous bleeding like that. Now this is 3rd month that I asked them to go for hormonal assay and then decide. Fortunately enough, the hemoglobin has not dropped that much, and though there is Daurbalya, it's not very much this. Tribanga Bhasma, actually we can follow the Guneshastri. That's better to where to use Tribanga Bhasma. But for Prameha and Daurbalya in Prameha, Tribanga is a better option. And even Datar Guruji has used Trivanga, and Kanti Prabha, that is one of the his medicines, along with Chandra Prabha. And I also use Chandra Prabha plus Trivanga, particularly in Shukrakshaya, Daurbalya, Kati Prushta Shula, like that. How to prepare 6x formulation? That I already explained many times. take one part of that bhasma or medicine, add 9 parts of sugar. In homeopathy, they use milk sugar. We are using glucose actually. And make it curl for 3 hours. Then take one part of that, again add 9 parts sugar. Now again 3-hour color. So this is 2x, and in the same manner you have to reach 6x, and then only 6x to be used in medicine, and even with a small dose 20-30 milligram, it's fine. Vanga Mishran I am using in varieties of conditions associated with Shukra. So along with Chandraprabha, or maybe along with some other medicines. But that's a common formula of Hansalkar. Can we use Chandrakala Kamduga in such cases? We can. Kamduga I already used. It is also Kashaya Rasa Pradhan. And Shatavari is also helpful in this scenario. And many cases respond. It's not that all patients do not respond. But there are few cases which are very troublesome, and there is a constant pressure, particularly from conventional medicine, to go for hysterectomy. And then they said that then there will be no problem at all. Once you remove the uterus, there is no problem. If the patient is at menopause age, then this might be accepted. But at 16, 20, 30, this is not an option at all. So the cases which are to be treated surgically may be given medicines, but those to be treated with medicine should never be given subjected to surgery. That is what Sushrutaracharya says. And exactly opposite is conventional medicine doing about this. The surgery is taking over for many medicinal diseases in a mechanical way, hysterectomy or dialysis or this kidney transplant, heart transplant, liver transplant, etc. कांतिप्रभामध्ये चंद्रप्रभा व पत्रकाष्ठा असे का? Maybe we have to read Datar Guruji once again, and then that would be fine. गुणेमध्ये वंग मिश्रणाचे असे काही प्रमाण दिलेले नाही, केवळ मिश्रण वर्णना केले आहे. But Hansalkar is my guru. He is a direct shishya of Mule Shastri. So it might be that have settled later or something. Chandraprabha असते का? We have to refer better Mule Shastri. दातार गुरुजी यांचे. तसेच वंग मिश्रणाला पर्याय म्हणून वंग शिलाजतू लौह असे मिश्रण लगेच पुढे दिले आहे. This I have not used. Vanga Shilajatu and Loha. Maybe we think about this, and in what proportion. And this is case of Artava Vriddhi. This might be, but when there is Daurbalya, weakness, then we have to be serious about it. And when there is anemia, severe anemia, then we have to be severe about this. As per Tata Guruji, Padmaka and Tribhanga are Sakshat Prithvi Mahabhuta Vrittikara. Okay. So may think about all these and then decide what can be used. So anyway, we can conclude today and continue tomorrow. I'm in Konkan today. I arrived here yesterday evening, and the situation is quite and serious. People are very afraid. The maid who was working over here said that she won't come to our house. Even the person who is living over here, he is trying to avoid dialogue and other things with us. And I'm not aware what is the situation in other rural areas like this. And particularly if you are coming from Pune, Mumbai, then people are more afraid and they don't want to entertain you. That is the thing. So the fear psychosis that has been developed about this disease and the role of media at such role of this WHO, etc., is quite big. So we may have to think about this very seriously. What can be done? Anyway, I'm going to stay here for 2 days and then return to Pune. So let us hope that the situation normalizes. But today it seems very difficult that the situation will change and we will be able to follow it better. आयुर्वेदप्रकाण्डो निगदित इह हि शल्यतन्त्रप्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने तां च सुष्ठुः प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् विरम्यते व्याख्यानकरः श्वः